Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss one more topic from the PQT, that is probability distribution. So it is one of the vast and major topic in PQT, probability giving theory. So in this class we are going to see the basic formulas and ideology of probability distribution. Probability distribution is further divided into many of the subtopics. That is, this is majorly divided into discrete distribution and a continuous distribution. Discrete distribution and the continuous distribution. And this discrete distribution is further divided into more three parts. That is binomial distribution, and the next is Poisson distribution, and the third one is geometric distribution. And this continuous distribution also further divided into more three parts. Those are exponential distribution, and the next one is uniform distribution, and the third one is normal distribution. So in this video we are going to see the basic methodology and the formulas of these 6 distributions. Now first let us see the basic terminology and the formulas of binomial distribution. So binomial distribution. First, in this also we will be having majority of 4 formulas. Those are PMF, and the next one is MGF, and the next one is mean, and the last one is variance. So PMF, the formula for PMF of binomial distribution is P of capital X equals to small x equals to, the binomial distribution will be represented as this P of capital X equals to small x, which is equals to NCX P power x Q power n minus x, comma, where x will be having the values from 0 to 1, 2, 3, so on till n. Where here, what is n, what is p, what is q? We have to know this 3 terminology here. So n is number of terms or choices or trials. So now p is probability of success. So for an event the probability of success is p, and q is probability of failure. So q is the probability of failure for an event. So now formula for MGF. Formula for MGF is mx of t equals to q plus p into e power t whole power n. This is the formula for MGF of binomial distribution. Now the formula for mean. The formula for mean is n into p, number of trials into probability of success. Now the formula for variance is n p q, number of trials into probability of success into probability of failure. These are all the formulas of binomial distribution and the terminology of the formulas. So next we will be going to see Poisson distribution. Now we are going to see Poisson distribution formulas. Now here also there will be 4 formulas: PMF, then MGF, then mean and variance. So PMF formula for Poisson distribution is e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial, e power minus lambda into x, lambda power x by x factorial, where x values will be from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on till so on. So the formula for here, the parameter is lambda. So lambda is nothing but mean. Okay. So the MGF formula for this is e power lambda in so the formula for MGF is e power lambda of e power t minus 1. This is the formula for MGF, and the formula for mean is lambda equals to NP, and the formula for variance is lambda equals to NP. So here the mean and variance is equal in the case of Poisson distribution. So in the case of Poisson distribution, mean and variance are equal, and these are all the formulas. Note it down in the case of Poisson distribution. Now let us see one more distribution, that is geometric distribution. Now geometric distribution, here also we will be having four formulas, that is PMF, probability mass function, then MGF, then mean, then variance. Now the formula for PMF is P of capital X equals to X equals to Q power X minus 1 into P, where X values are from 1, 2, 3, so on. Now the formula for MGF is mx of t equals to p into e power t by 1 minus q into e power t. This is the formula for MGF, and now the formula for mean is 1 by p, and the formula for variance is q by p square. So these are all the formula for geometric distribution, and the parameters are q and p here. So already we know P is probability of success and Q is probability of failure. That's it. Now the next one is exponential distribution. This is from continuous distribution. Till now we have seen the formulas of discrete distribution, the subtopics of discrete distribution. Now we are going to continuous distribution. So in continuous distribution, the first one is exponential distribution. So in discrete distribution we have seen PMF, but in continuous distribution it is PDF, probability density function. In discrete distribution it is PMF, probability mass function. In continuous distribution it is PDF, probability density function. And the formula for PDF is f of x equals to lambda into e power lambda x, e power minus lambda x. So f of x equals to lambda into e power minus lambda x. Now the formula for MGF is mx of t equals to lambda by lambda minus t. Now the mean formula for exponential distribution is, mean formula is capital E of x, expectation of x equals to 1 by lambda, and now variance is 1 by lambda square. So these are all the formulas for exponential distribution. Now note it down, and now let's see one more distribution, that is uniform distribution. Uniform distribution, here the formula for PMF of uniform distribution is, sorry, PDF it is, PDF formula is f of x equals to 1 by b minus a and 0. Here the formula is divided into two parts, that is 1 by b minus a when the x values are between a comma a and b, and if it is otherwise, means if it is less than a or greater than b, then it will be 0, f of x will be 0, then PDF will be 0. So otherwise, So this is the formula for uniform distribution PDF, and the next one is MGF. So the MGF formula is e power bt minus e power at by b minus a into t. So e power bt minus e power at by b minus a into t. This is the formula for MGF of uniform distribution. Then mean, the formula for mean is a plus b by 2. The formula for mean of uniform distribution is a plus b by 2, and for variance the formula is a minus b whole square by 12. So these are all the formulas for uniform distribution. Now let us see the last one, that is normal distribution. Now for normal distribution, so now for normal distribution, the formula for PDF, probability density function, is f of x equals to 1 by sigma root over 2x into e power minus of x minus mu by 2 sigma square. So this is the formula for PDF. F of x equals to 1 by sigma of under root 2x into e power minus of x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square. So this is the PDF formula, and for normal distribution there is one more formula, that is standard normal distribution. And the formula for this is z equals to x minus mu by sigma. So the standard normal distribution formula is z equals to x minus mu by sigma. So these both are the formulas for normal distribution. So these are all the formulas of consisting in the probability distribution, and these are the basic topics of normal distribution. So if you like the video, please like it and share the video, and subscribe for our channel to get the notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video.